Okay, let's talk about rewards. As we've mentioned several times, we need a little help. What do you get for helping us? Right? We're going to have the ability for individuals to participate with us on 4 different levels. Bronze level, which is $20, the silver level, which is $30, and the gold level, which is $60. Now, at the bronze level, you're going to get 2 things. You're going to get a t-shirt. It's a neat t-shirt, okay? The bronze level costs $20 if you're going to participate with us on that level. And if you go buy a nice t-shirt in a shop, you're going to pay $20 for it. This will be a good t-shirt. It'll also be unique, all right? It's something that says you are interested in climate change. When you wear this t-shirt, you are making a statement. The statement says, I care about the future of this planet. So we're going to get you a nice t-shirt. The next thing we're going to get you is satisfaction. All right, there is a certain amount of satisfaction in doing something about a problem. All right, what do you do when you can't do anything? All you do is you get frustrated. All right, now we're offering you a chance to do something. It may be a small thing, but it's something. And we thank you for that help. Right, now let's talk about the next level. The next level is the silver level. This is $30. You still get the t-shirt, all right? But then you're going to get something really, really cool, or at least I think it's really cool. We're going to put on a reality show. Every single week from Friday through Thursday, we are going to have an individual tasked with videoing what we're doing. Design work, testing work, and producing a segment that will be about an hour, which we will publish on our website on Friday. All crowdfunders who crowdfund at the silver or gold level will be given an access code that allows you to access that video. Have you ever wondered what goes on in an R&D project? I'm reminded of a movie starring Jack Nicholson that was called Bucket List. It also had Morgan Freeman in it. Great movie. And Jack Nicholson was griping about one of his ex-wives who said, that woman thought mayonnaise came from a plant. Well, mayonnaise doesn't come from a plant. But you can look up on Wikipedia where mayonnaise comes from if you want to. So if you're interested in where we get mayonnaise, you can find out. All right. How do you find out what goes on in an R&D project? What is it that goes into a new product? When you see a new car, something that is a significant departure from what cars have been in the past, what went on behind that? When you see a new refrigerator or a new dishwasher or even a new toaster, what was it that went into the development of that project? Well, if you watch our reality show, you're going to see us try to take science, turn it into technology, turn it into engineering, and then take the engineering and turn it into a product. Now, research and development is about 3 things. It's about the good, the bad, and the ugly. R&D is about incorporating the good, fixing the bad, and killing the ugly. And what you're going to do in the reality show is you're going to watch us do that. If we fail a test, you'll see us fail the test. All right? You'll also see us do what we have to do to fix it. All right? Then also, once a week, we're going to have an AMA. That means Ask Me Anything. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you had the chance to make a suggestion? All right? Well, maybe the suggestion is a dumb idea. Does that mean you shouldn't have the chance to make the suggestion and at least learn why the idea is impractical? But what if it's not a dumb idea? What if it's a good idea? The simple truth of the matter is during this show, this part of it, the AMA will be done about 4 or 5 days after the reality show is published. So you'll have had a chance to look at it and understand the questions that you might like to ask. And I'm going to be doing an AMA where you can ask me anything. All right. Now, you can't ask me things like, why is my hair silver or why are my eyes blue? If that's the kind of questions you want to ask, I don't really have much for you. But if you're interested in asking questions about this process, or if you're interested in making suggestions, or if you're interested in making the kind of suggestion that you're not even sure if it's practical or not, but you might like to know if it's not practical, why it's not practical. Well, this is what we're going to be doing here. If you are involved with crowdfunding at the silver level, you also get to buy one of our units that's at a wholesale price when they're ready, right? When Sundancer is ready for market, You will have watched it get ready. You will have had the chance to watch the reality show, ask me all the questions that you want to ask, right? And then whenever the product is actually good, it's actually ready, all right, then you will have an opportunity to buy a unit at a wholesale price. That is going to be a big savings. We project that the retail price of a cogen capable sun dancer in a 48 kilowatt system to be $30,000. The wholesale price will be $20,000. So if you're going to be interested in doing that, that's a significant savings. All right, that's a significant savings. And the neat thing about this is it works for everybody. You get to save money, and we get more of our initial units out there in a hurry. So this doesn't just work for you, it also works for us too. So we're going to offer all of our silver and gold crowdfunders the opportunity to buy a unit at wholesale. Now you also get satisfaction, just like you do on the bronze level. In the early stage of this presentation, you heard me say that the reason that I worked on this for nearly 14 years now by myself was because I wanted to light one small candle rather than curse the darkness. Well, this is a chance for you to light a small candle instead of cursing the darkness too, right? This isn't much, but if we get a lot of people lighting a small candle, we can turn it into a bonfire and maybe get some significant attention in what we're trying to do here. So you're going to be able to participate with satisfaction. You're going to wear a T-shirt that says, I care about the future of this planet, and you're going to get the satisfaction of knowing that you actually did something. It may not have been a big thing, but it was a small thing, and it was better than nothing. Let's go to the gold level. The gold level is $60. Now there you get the T-shirt, there you get the reality show, you get the AMA, you get the wholesale unit, you also get a dealership opportunity. We are going to need dealers all over the world. That's what we're going to need. We're going to need dealers all over the world. These are people, however, that have to have a little bit of money to invest, all right? You're going to have to buy a demonstration unit. You're going to have a location. That location could be in a flea market. It could be a lot of places. You're not necessarily going to have to invest a whole lot of money, but there will be an investment required if you're going to be a dealer. That investment will not be for dealer fees. If you are a crowdfunder at the gold level, there will be no dealer fees, but you will have to buy a demonstration unit. You'll buy that demo unit at wholesale price, and you'll find out all about what's required when it's time. There's something else that you're going to have to do, and that is you're going to have to take a dealership course. Okay? That dealership course is going to have two significant parts. The first 2/3 is going to be general business. Now, you're standing there right now looking at a man who's been doing business for a long time. I've been running an engineering company for well over 10 years, and through some of the toughest times that we have seen in the construction industry since the Great Depression, right? And I have navigated those rocks and shoals successfully. I don't want to sound arrogant, but I know a lot about small business. The first 2/3 of this course is going to be about general business. How do you market your products without wasting money? What kind of site do you need? What kind of site don't you need? Where do you spend your money? Where do you not spend your money? How do you put together a truly effective business plan? The first 2/3 of this course is going to be about all of that sort of thing. All right. The last third will be very specific to Sundancer. Now, if you are interested in starting any business at all, if you're a heating and air conditioning technician and your dream is 2 or 3 years from now to have your own heating and air conditioning company, this course will be good for you. The last third won't have much to do for you, but the first 2/3, you're going to get the chance to download all of this silver in my hair that I got by learning all the things about business, all the traps, all the rocks, all the good things, because there's a lot of good things in business. You're going to get to learn about all of that. That's what this course is going to be about. The course is going to be free for crowdfunders at the gold level, right? So if you're a gold level crowdfunder, you're going to get to take the business course. It's free. There will be 3 books that you have to buy. But those books you'll get off Amazon. You'll get more information about that when it's time. We'll try to start the business course about 2 months before Sundancer is actually ready. Whenever we are actually moving into the phase of building test units, that's not, the product isn't ready yet. But when we're moving in past that phase and we're moving into true demonstration units, there's usually about a 2-month period in time when you're getting various people to set up demonstration units and things like that. That's when we're going to do the dealer training, and that's when you'll have more information about what all this is going to involve. I will tell you that in addition to the free training, gold funders will also be given an opportunity to get an exclusive territory. In other words, in the U.S., for example, we have approximate population of 320 million people right now. We are planning on setting up 1,600 dealerships. Each dealership would have a territory that composes a population base of about 200,000. That will be an exclusive dealership. That doesn't mean that other dealers can't sell into your territory, but it does mean that no other dealer will be able to set up any other operation competing with you inside of that territory. The way this is going to work is whenever we open up the dealer course, everyone's going to get to start at the same time, all right? In the order in which you finish the dealer course, okay, on that, whenever you finish the course, according to the order in which you signed up for the gold level, you're going to get to select your territory. So that's going to be how on day one, you won't be able to have finished the course. Maybe by day 10, you finish the course, and on day 10, 200 people finish the course. Those 200 people, in the order in which they signed up, are going to get to pick their territories, and that's how this is going to work. So once again, we have some neat rewards. We have some very, very nice things for the people who want to help us. And I hope that you will move on this.